This is the Otis Patriot Series. Available in multiple calibers and gauges, it provides the essential tools you need for your specific firearm and nothing you don't. Knock out a quick breech-to-muzzle cleaning with a caliber-specific bore brush, cable, T-handle, and all the attachments needed to get debris out of your bore. The T-handle also serves as a bit driver, with 4 included bits that bring more versatility to your gun care. And an all-purpose receiver brush lets you clean hard-to-reach places with precision. Depending on your model of firearm, some Patriot Series kits bring other specialized tools into the mix, like special components for ARs, pistols, and shotguns. It's all included in a case that's easy to pack and tough to break, because this essential kit was built to overpower and outlast your firearm's biggest threats. The Patriot Series Cleaning Kit. Only from Otis.